Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2-Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to update games on Steam. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply go to library at the top left. Here is the library button right here. Simply click on it. Now from here, all you guys need to do is simply click on the game that you wish to update. For me, this is it right here, and I am gonna click on it. And from this page, all you have to do is go to this button called as Manage. It's a gear-like icon. It's at the right hand side. Click on it, and from there, all you guys need to do is go to Properties. Click on it right now. Well, the first thing that I'm gonna recommend you guys is simply click on Updates right here. Just click on it there, and do note in the Automatic Updates section, always keep this game updated. This button right here. And likewise, once you do that, the game will be updated whenever updates are available. Likewise, another thing that you can do is simply go to Installed Files right here. And from this section, all you guys need to do is click on this button that says Verify Integrity. Once the files have been verified, and if there are any updates available, the game will be updated automatically. And guys, that is it. That's how you update games manually in Steam. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and from a content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.